Welcome to my channel.
I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. If you did not like it, you don't have to add it. I know some don't, but I like the taste of it. When it blends with salt, it makes it very delicious. So add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That is another thing that I have tried from my experience. It makes the texture good. This is 1 stick of butter. If you measure by cup, that's 1 cup of butter. Make sure to mix it up. I use this mashed potato tool to mash it, to make sure everything goes into the flour. When it is this crumbly, then it's time to pour your liquid. I have a cup of milk. If you have buttermilk, that's fine. If you don't, just add 1 tablespoon of lemon in it. Then I added vanilla essence in it, and 1 large egg. I know a lot of people might not be familiar with that, but after trying it, it is good. You could try it too. Mix everything together, pour it. It's gonna be a little weight, but don't worry. Just mix it up, cut and fold. Don't like stir it, make it stretchy. No, cut and fold when it's all mixed up together. Then sprinkle some flour on your counter generously, because you will need it, my friend. It's really sticky. At this point, I know some people like to use rolling stick. I do not like rolling stick. I like to use my hands. So get your hands ready. Pat, pat, pat. Fold, pat, pat, pat. If you want layers, this is what you need to do multiple times. And sprinkle flour in between and fold it and pat. Then you start to cut. When you cut, do not twist. Just put your cutter there and press it down straight. You want that nice shape. You want that layers to come out very nice and fluffy. Now I'm gonna smear this egg yolk on top of it. I also like to add vanilla essence in the egg yolk so that when it bakes, it smells really good. So I added a little bit of it. So you bake at 350 degrees for 22 minutes. And voila, this is what you got. Breakfast is ready. You can butter the surface if you like. The taste is good, but I don't like to butter it all the time because I like that crusty texture that comes without the butter. But the butter adds another good taste to it. So it's all up to you. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Help this channel grow. See what you got? Can tell you this biscuit tastes so good. And the texture is awesome. What do you think about the recipe? Comment section, let us know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you back soon again. Bye bye.